Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very, very good morning to you. Very, very good morning. Very, very good morning. Okay. Now close your eyes, join your hands for 1 minute. Then we will move forward. Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
Beta.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, now open your eyes. Someone's phone is ringing, so I request you all to please keep yourself on mute. And we are going to start with your maths lesson. We'll be explaining the worksheet today. Okay. Good morning, Beta. Very good morning to you. Good morning. Okay. Now everyone can see this worksheet. Is it visible to you all? सबको दिख रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In last class, we have done the activities which we do at morning time, afternoon time, evening time, and night time. Right? We have done that in chapter time in Math Magic book. Now we will do few exercises based on that. Now look at these activities, morning activities. 3 activities are given. One is brushing the teeth. This boy is brushing his teeth. Okay. In the next picture, a boy is taking bath. Okay. This you do in the morning only. Morning में करते हो आप bath? Like you take bath in the morning, right? And in the third activity, these 2 children are going to school. So tell me any other activity which you do in the morning other than these activities, brushing, bathing and going to school. इसके अलावा other than these activities, इसके अलावा और कौन सी activities आप morning में करते हो? Anyone wants to speak? Yes?
Breakfast.
Yes, you do breakfast. And Adya, what happened?
Ma'am, breakfast.
Okay, breakfast. Any other activity which you do in the morning other than breakfast? ठीक है, breakfast is the correct answer. Any other activity? Huh?
Go to school. Ma'am,
Yoga, exercise. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
exercise.
Yes. Most of the time, usually, yes, usually do exercise in the morning. Yes. And wake up. You also wake up also in the morning. The first activity of the day. First activity of the morning is when you wake up in the morning. Right? Okay. This happens in the morning time. Morning time. So what all are activities you do in the morning time? You wake up from the bed, you do brushing, then you take bath, then you wear your clothes, then you take breakfast, and then you go to school, right? These all activities generally you do in the morning, and yes, some do exercise, yoga, and other activities as well. So these are the activities which are done in the morning time. Okay, which are done in the morning time. Okay, now next, what you do in the afternoon time? Two activities are already shown in the picture. This boy is having his lunch. He's having his lunch. So you have your lunch in the morning, right? And the next is these two children are going back to home. They are going back to home from school. घर से ये school से वापस घर जा रहे हैं. Look at their mama. She's standing at the door and they are running towards her mama, towards their mama, right? So what else? Anything else which you do in the morning, in the afternoon time? Lunch and lunch के अलावा and घर जाने के अलावा. Afternoon time में play करते हो आप इतनी धूप में?
Sleep.
Yes, you watch TV. Yes. Most of the time when you go home, you watch TV while having your lunch, right? Any other activity which you do in the afternoon time? Any other activity? Yes. Sometimes you take a nap. You take a nap. You cannot sleep, but yes, after going home, you take a nap so that you get fresh for the evening. Right? After going home, you take a nap so that you get fresh in the evening. कुछ बच्चे बहुत थक जाते हैं स्कूल में, है ना? तो उनको एक नैप की जरूरत होती है. नैप का मीनिंग होता है एक shorter time to sleep. Right? Maybe half an hour or 1 hour. Okay. So some children need a nap to get fresh for the evening. Okay. So you sometimes take a nap, you watch TV, you take your lunch, and you go back to home in the afternoon time. Right? So we have discussed morning activities and the afternoon activities. Okay, now let's move to the evening activities. What you do in the evening? Now see, two pictures are already there. This boy is doing his homework. Yes, this boy is doing his homework and these children are playing in the park. Okay, they are playing in the park. So, other than these activities, पढ़ने के अलावा और खेलने के अलावा, any other activity you do in the evening? Any other activity?
Ma'am, watch TV.
What?
Ma'am, watch TV.
अच्छा, आप लंच में भी टीवी देखते हो, इवनिंग में भी टीवी देखते हो? No. That much TV is not good. Watching TV too much is not good for your eyes. Any other activity which you do in the evening?
Snacks.
Okay.
Ma'am, study.
Study, yes. Some children, it's already shown in the picture. Some children study in the evening. They do their homework. They do their other study work. They go to play as well. Some children go for the extra classes, extracurricular activities like music, dancing, any other activities, right? So all these activities you do in the evening time. And yes, one more important activity, you take your snacks. It's your snacks time as well before going to the park, before playing with your friends. I know most of the children take their snacks in the evening time, maybe milk, chocolate milk and any other snacks they have in the evening, right? आप खाते हो evening snacks खाते हो ना? सब बच्चे खाते हैं? तो thumbs up करेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs up कीजिए जो खाते हैं evening snacks. They have their milk or biscuits or any other thing.
Yes, ma'am.
I know that most of the children take their snacks in the evening. Okay, now we will move to the night activities. So what we do in the night? In the night we have
lunch. Lunch.
खाते हैं. अच्छा wait please. Okay, listen to me first. We have our dinner in the night time. Look at this boy, he's sleeping. Okay, and after sleeping what happens, you know? What can yes, tell me. What can happen after sleeping? बाद कौन सी activity हो सकती है sleeping के बाद? What can be done? Which activity? Navya?
Bedtime stories.
Wait, mute yourself. Navya Pandey. Navya Pandey. Navya. Where is Navya Pandey?
Ma'am.
Navya, switch on your camera, please. Navya Pandey. Navya, what you do in the night time? नाइट टाइम में आप नाइट एक्टिविटीज में आप क्या करते हो नाइट टाइम पे?
Dinner.
Yes.
And sleep.
You take dinner and you sleep. But what can be done after sleeping? सोने के बाद कौन सी एक्टिविटी हो सकती है? Any activity which is possible after sleeping?
Ma'am, dreaming.
Yes, dreaming. We can dream as well. Like हमें सपने भी आते हैं. That is also a mind activity. Okay. So हम सोने के बाद भी कोई एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं which is dreaming. Okay. हमें सपने आते हैं. And before sleeping, yes, bedtime story is also an activity. हमारी मम्मा, पापा या grandparents हमें brushing the teeth, right? This is the most important activity. We brush our teeth before going to the bed. Yes, absolutely correct. I'm very happy with you all. Very nice.
Page number.
There is no page number, beta. Book exercises we have already done. Don't ask for page number. वो हमारी exercise हो चुकी है book exercise. Okay.
Evening walk.
Evening में yes, we go for the evening walk as well. But children usually play. They don't go for the walk. Okay, so we have discussed all the 4 activities which we do in a particular day. Morning activities, afternoon activities, evening activities and night activities. Okay. Now the question number 1. Ye question number 1 and 2. I have given 2 questions in this worksheet. I will make an assignment, create an assignment. ठीक है, MST पे आपको ये क्वेश्चंस करके उस असाइनमेंट पे अपलोड करने हैं. ठीक है. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. राइट डाउन डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज बेस्ड ऑन टाइम टेकन इन सेपरेट कॉलम्स. इसका क्या मीनिंग है? राइट डाउन डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज बेस्ड ऑन टाइम टेकन इन सेपरेट कॉलम्स. यहाँ मैम ने 10 एक्टिविटीज दी है रेड कलर में. ठीक है. अब आपको इन दोनों एक्टिविटीज को देखना है, लाइक सेपरेट करना है. कौन सी एक्टिविटी ज्यादा टाइम लेती है, कौन सी एक्टिविटी कम टाइम लेती है. लाइक टेक्स लॉन्गर टाइम एंड टेक्स शॉर्टर टाइम. ठीक है. अब आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क चिल्ड्रन वन बाय वन. ठीक है. विच वन, लाइक आई कैन आस्क रैंडमली एनी वन. विच एक्टिविटी टेक्स लॉन्गर टाइम एंड विच वन टेक्स शॉर्टर टाइम. ओके. Now don't unmute yourself. I'll ask you only, then unmute yourself. Okay. COVID, unmute yourself. COVID. After COVID, Kritika, unmute. After that, Leah, unmute. COVID, Kritika, Leah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, COVID. First, COVID will say. COVID, unmute yourself. Okay, Leah, you tell me. COVID is taking time.
Okay, ma'am.
Eating mango. Eating mango. Okay, please mute yourself. Eating mango. It takes longer time or shorter time?
Short time.
Good. Okay. After COVID, sorry, after Leah, COVID will tell me. COVID is still muted. Leah, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
COVID. Now tell me. Playing in the park. पार्क में खेलने कितना टाइम लगता है? Like it takes longer time or shorter time?
Ma'am, longer time.
Very good. It takes longer time. Okay, now next is Kritika Singh. Kritika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Kritika, I cannot see you. Yes, Kritika. Okay. Kritika, watching a movie takes longer time or shorter time? Very good. Okay, now next. Mute yourself, Kritika. Lavneesh. Meher. Lavneesh. Sorry. Lavneesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Meher, tell me, spending time in school takes longer time or shorter time?
Yes, ma'am.
Meher, spending time in school takes longer time or shorter time?
Longer.
Very good. Now mute yourself. Okay, Lavneesh, you tell me. Lavneesh, listen to me. Drinking milk. Drinking milk takes longer time or shorter time?
Short.
Shorter. Very good. Okay. Now next is Rabhya Sharma. Rabhya, unmute yourself. Satyam Sharanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Rabhya, taking bath takes longer time or shorter time? Rabhya.
Short time.
Good. Now Sharanya will tell me. Sharanya, combing hair takes longer time or shorter time?
Shorter time.
Very good. Okay, now Satyam will tell me doing homework. Doing homework.
Longer time.
Yes, very good. It takes longer time. Siddharth, unmute yourself. Suhani, unmute yourself. Okay, Siddharth, you tell me. Cooking. Cooking takes longer time or shorter time?
Shorter time.
No. Cooking takes longer time, beta. Takes time. Jaldi jaldi kuch nahi banta. Right? Right?
Okay,
Sometimes you go to the kitchen and look at your mama when she's cooking, how much time she takes in cooking. Okay? Okay, Siddharth?
Okay, ma'am.
Good boy. Okay. Next. Yashasvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you tell me, wearing clothes takes longer time or shorter time?
Shorter time.
Very good. So now see, in this way you have to write all the answers like this. First you write the question, then you write these options, then in answer you have to write like this. Takes longer time, takes shorter time. The activities which takes longer time, you have to write in the left. The activities which take shorter time, you have to write in the right side. Okay? Okay. Okay, now we will move to question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Yashasvi, are you unmuted? Who's unmuted? Okay, Suhani, you tell me number 1. Fill in the blank number 1. Suhani, you are unmuted. Sun rises in the dash. Sun rises in the morning.
Ma'am, screen not showed.
It will show. Wait. Is it showing now? Suhani, is it showing now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you tell me. Sun rises in the morning or evening? What will come in the fill in this dash? The fill in the blanks.
Morning.
Very good. Now number 2. Who will tell me? Suhani, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Vihan, unmute yourself, Vihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the number 2. We see stars at dash. Afternoon or night?
Ma'am, night.
Good. Now number 3. Rudransh. Rudransh. Rudransh will tell me number 3. We go to the school in the dash. Morning or night? To school in the morning or night? स्कूल कब जाते हैं? रुद्रांश, look at me. स्कूल कब जाते हो आप? मॉर्निंग में जाते हो, नाइट में जाते हो? When you go to school? क्या हुआ बेटा? रुद्रांश, कब जाते हो बेटा स्कूल? मॉर्निंग में और नाइट में?
Morning में.
Good. Okay, now mute yourself. Madhav, unmute yourself, Madhav. Madhav Kataria. Tell me the number 4. We come back from school in the dash, in the night or in afternoon? We come back from school in the night or in afternoon? What time? Madhav, switch on your camera, Madhav. Camera switch on karo, Madhav. And then answer me. Madhav. Tell me, Madhav, what happened? We come back from school in the night or in afternoon? Quickly, Madhav, otherwise I'll ask someone else. He's not replying. Devansh. Devansh. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first I'll ask Devansh. Devansh, You tell me. We come back from school in the dash, night or afternoon?
Afternoon.
Good. Ananya, you tell me. We have our lunch in the dash, afternoon or evening?
Afternoon.
Good. Next, who will say? Adhya Gupta. Adhya, unmute yourself. Swastik, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Adhya, you tell me. We play in the garden, in the dash, in the night or in the evening?
Evening.
Good. Okay, now Swastik, next for you. We go to sleep at dash, morning or night?
Ma'am, what?
Last one you have to say. Number 7, we go to sleep at dash. We go to sleep at night or at morning?
Night.
Good. Okay, now these two questions you all have to do in your notebook and you have to upload in the assignments. I'm going to create an assignment just for 2 days, for today and tomorrow. Okay, this is very easy. So please upload it within 2 days, and I'm going to show you an activity as well, Abhi. And you have to do, don't upload the magic support pages, just upload these two questions. Your homework is do page number 30 and 31 of magic support. पेज नंबर 30 पे जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वी हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड इन द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ये जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स मैम ने कराए हैं इसमें ऑलरेडी कवर हैं. एंड इन द 30 पेज नंबर 31 देयर इज ओनली वन क्वेश्चन एंड विच इज वेरी इजी. मैच द फॉलोइंग. ठीक है, दैट यू हैव टू डू योरसेल्फ. बट डोंट अपलोड मैजिक सपोर्ट पेजेस. मैजिक सपोर्ट के पेजेस को अपलोड मत कीजिएगा, असाइनमेंट में पोस्ट मत कीजिएगा. सिर्फ ये 2 क्वेश्चंस को असाइनमेंट में पोस्ट कीजिएगा. ओके, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू एन एक्टिविटी भी मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ. तो वो एक्टिविटी और ये जो वर्कशीट है, मैं ये असाइनमेंट वर्कशीट जो है टाइम चैप्टर की, ये दोनों आपको साथ में ही अपलोड करनी है. दे आर वेरी इजी, so I request you to please upload it as soon as possible. I'm going to show you that activity as well. I hope you have all understood this chapter. It's very easy chapter and very short as well. There is not much in it. Okay, this is an activity for chapter time. The first practical use of time for children is to get acquainted with the sequence of daily routine that they follow. For a child, the day begins when he or she gets up. After that, a routine follows like bathing, breakfast, going to school, and so on, till they go to bed at night, right? You all do these activities in the morning. You start from the morning. You get some. Yes.
Worksheet show नहीं हो रहा है.
बेटा, I'm not showing worksheet. I'm showing the activity. Activity आपको show नहीं हो रही है अभी?
Ma'am, no.
Anyone else who can see the activity?
Ma'am, I can see. Ma'am, अब दिख रही है.
अच्छा, अब दिख रही है. हाँ, it takes little time to.
Ma'am, yeah, I can see.
Okay, fine. Right. So for a child, for you all, the first activity mention, you have to write those activities according to the time. Like morning time में आपने क्या क्या किया, write down in that box. उस column में आप डालेंगे. Then what have you done in the afternoon? Afternoon में आपने क्या किया, आप वहाँ पे लिखेंगे. पॉइंट्स डाल दीजिएगा 1 2 3 4 जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज आपने की हैं. देन ऐसे ही इवनिंग में एक्टिविटीज आपने नोट डाउन करनी है. देन ऐसे ही आपको नाइट टाइम की एक्टिविटीज नोट डाउन करनी है. एंड इफ यू वांट टू ड्रॉ और यू कैन ड्रॉ सम पिक्चर्स, कुछ पिक्चर्स भी अगर आप छोटी छोटी पिक्चर्स बनाएंगे टू मेक इट कलरफुल इट वुड बी गुड. ठीक है, तो आप छोटी छोटी पिक्चर्स भी बना सकते हैं. So this activity you have to do, if you have to do this activity and the worksheet questions, question number 1 and 2, you have to paste, like you have to post in a single assignment. एक ही assignment मैं आपको दूंगी. Maybe I'll give you some more days, 3 to 4 days I'll give you. तो दोनों activities को आपको उसी assignment में post करना है, worksheet के questions को भी and ये जो time based activity है इसको भी. ठीक है, so I hope you
ये एक्टिविटी आप भेजोगी ना?
हाँ बेटा मैं भेजूंगी, डोंट वरी, मैं आज ही भेजूंगी. एंड आई विल गिव यू लिटिल मोर टाइम, डोंट वरी. ठीक है, इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रिएटिंग टू असाइनमेंट्स आई विल क्रिएट 1 असाइनमेंट. एंड आपको ये दोनों असाइनमेंट, वर्कशीट क्वेश्चंस एंड ये टाइम बेस्ड एक्टिविटी आपको सेम उसमें भेजनी है, सेम असाइनमेंट में भेजनी है. ठीक है, ओके. So I hope you all have understood. And next EVS class में take out your EVS books, okay, and we will read the chapter at school, chapter 5. Okay, so be ready after 15 minutes. Bye bye for now. Let's meet again. Bye.
Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.